Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. My name's Logan.
And my name's Francesco, and today we're going to be unboxing the Shure MV88 Plus video kit. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Here we go. So let's get right into the unboxing. So we're just gonna cut this open, like so. Get rid of that. Okay, so let's open it. So first, looks like we have the card. Just says like stuff like that. And then if we turn this over.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Nothing else in the box.
Nothing else. Now we have this package here.
So Logan's gonna work on opening that up. Limited warranty, warning card, we don't care about that. Looks like there's nothing else in here except for a tripod. This kit is supposed to come with the microphone, tripod, clamp, USB-C cable, lightning cable, windscreen, and a roll-up bag. So let's get it. I'll just open this up. And wow. Okay, so this is a Manfrotto tripod. Manfrotto Pixie tripod.
I got it open.
And if you push this, it rotates.
So, let's get right into the compartments. First, we're gonna start here.
What's first?
This battery pack here.
Battery pack? I'll do the next one. I think these are cables. Yeah, these are cables. Okay, we're gonna need our knife back. Unboxing knife.
I got it done. So, this is a nice further cable. It's a nice cable.
Yeah, just get rid of this garbage. Don't need this anymore. This is, let's just take off the zip tie here so we can...
So this is a cable.
You know what, I'm not gonna take off the zip tie. This is USB-C to micro...
This is a cable right here.
Micro B cable to USB-C. So this is the end that goes into the microphone. This is the end that will go into mostly an Android device because they use USB-C, and maybe the iPad Pros too. That is the what is this? Same micro B to lightning cable.
Okay.
So you can plug it into iPhones and different iPads. So let's get rid of that. We'll leave these here.
Next package. This looks like the stand.
Yeah, that's the clamp for sure. That's the clamp. This is the clamp that holds the microphone, and it has a shoe mount on the bottom.
This is a very good, like it extends. Watch.
Just screws, and it's supposed to hold it. It's a shoe mount on the bottom, and it's got a
See, it extends, so you can put your phone in here if it's like an iPad.
Yeah, and I think it has this dial on the back. Yeah, so you loosen it, so it extends easily, and then you tighten it when you're done. And this has a 1/4-inch screw on the top. And this has also a 1/4-inch screw on the bottom. Move this to the side.
Next thing is the mic. It has a foam top.
Windscreen, right, left, and I believe, yeah, so you can take the windscreen off, but I think it's
better
when you keep it on. It sounds better. So there's less background noise.
So
now we're going to unbox, now we're going to set up the microphone. We're gonna open the Motive Audio app, and then let's put this on the stand here. We'll just screw this on. And then the microphone gets clamped on here, like so. Just like that. This is a very tough clamp, I gotta say. Very tough clamp. But once it's on, you clamp it on here, you loosen the screw, and it's a shoe mount, so it goes on very easily. And then we'll use the iPhone cable because, well, I'm using an iPhone. plug this end in. We plug this end into the back end of the microphone. It also has a headphone monitor port, so you can listen to see if your audio is good. Now if we look at the app, you can control mic gain. We usually like to keep it at 24 decibels. You can control different settings for capturing music and instruments and speakers or just speech.
So it's a very good microphone.
And
if you want to get a microphone, get the Shure microphone.
Oh yeah. So you can also change the pattern. We can go all the way to 135 degrees wide or as small as 60 degrees. We usually keep it at 90. You can also go monocardioid, mono bidirectional, and raw mid-side, or just the regular stereo width. You have a limiter, compressor, high-pass filter, left-to-right swap, and an equalizer with a 5-channel EQ. And you can also lock it so it won't change. And then if I open the Shure Motive Video app and I put it on the tripod here, like so. Once it's screwed onto the tripod, so now we're going to do a test with the microphone. So let's do that.
This is what it sounds like without the Shure microphone.
So this is a test with the Shure MV88 microphone on and fully functional, and this is what it sounds like. So the Shure MV88 microphone also comes with this nice stylish carrying case where you can put all the different parts in here. You can also put different stuff for wherever you're going and whatever you need to record.
Which is a very good thing.
And then you just wrap it up and close it, and then you got yourself a nice handy pouch. Okay, so now it's our recommendation time.
If you don't want to spend your money on a good microphone like this, you can just use the internal microphone, which is just as fine.
But it does depend on what iPhone you have. If you have an iPhone 7 or later, your audio quality will sound just as fine. But if you have an iPhone 6s or earlier, your audio quality won't be so great. But if you want to record insanely good audio, by all means, get the Shure MV88 microphone kit. It is an exceptional microphone for such a small piece of technology.
Well, that concludes our episode today. Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next video. All the links for this product and their app will be in the description down below. If you haven't checked out our most recent video, please do so by clicking the card up there, or again, in the link in the description down below.
I've been Logan.
I've been Francesco.
And we're Frogan Reactions. Peace.